Hi. There's a question on, does anyone know how to submit e-invoice for associate and NGO buyers that do not have TIN? So that means the NGO buys something from this person, and what the person understands is that the organizations are exempted from tax. So now the same person also answered that uh, for organizations that are tax exempt and not assigned with TIN, they are to use the TIN number E0040. Right. So the question is that correct? Well, let's take a look at the example here. Right, is that okay, let's say this person sells something to the NGO. So do they need to ask the TIN, the tax identification number from the NGO? Or wise, the number one online stationery office needs and pantry suppliers, right? Sell something to the NGO, right? Like a pen, uh, boxes of tissues, right? So do they need to ask for TIN from the NGO? Okay, so just because it's tax exempted doesn't mean that they do need to have TIN. Now let's examine what is called tax exempted, right? So now HSBC has a online this guy here. So so over here that's charity institution and trust, right, are tax exempted if they are set up solely for charity purpose and their activities are carried out mainly for those purpose. So if it's only for charity purpose. However, not all income of an NGO is exempted from tax, but the portions from for charity purpose and those that help the NGO fulfilling those purpose. So you give a clear example. If an NGO owns a property and rent out at market rate with a specific tenant group, even if the rental income is purely used for charity purpose, such income would still become taxable as the NGO was established to promote a religion. But leasing of the property is clearly not an activity carried out to fulfill its purpose of establishment. Okay, so yeah, so that part is where you need to concern about this here. Okay, of course, right. The key is that charitable institutions and trusts, right, are taxable for only that part of charity, not all. See, so that comes to that the question just now is that right. So just because NGO buyers do not exempted from tax, right, doesn't mean that they do not have TIN, because they are fall under the trust, right here, trust body, right? So or NGO. This is the who will need to concern about invoice, right? Because it's covered to B2B, B2C, B2G. This one here, so it actually covers to all taxpayers. So who is not? Who is not? Well, according to IRB, right, invoice guideline. So these are the only that is exemption. Exemption is here. Foreign diplomacy, individual who is not conducting businesses, statutory body, international organization. Oh, and then taxpayer annual turnover review is less than 150,000, right? So these are the taxpayer that do not need to issue invoice. So it's not listed here as usual, do not need to issue invoice. So therefore, yes, they need. So same goes to that if you sell to a government, right? So government is a tax is no need to issue e-invoice, but do you need to issue e-invoice to the government? The answer is yes. You also need to issue to government. Although government no need to issue e-invoice to you, but you need to issue an e-invoice to inform that IRB that um, you you sell something to government. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.